Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 44 of the Adobe InDesign tutorial series. And in the last tutorial series we took a look at paragraph styles. Now we are going to take a look at character styles. So over here in the character styles, if you want to edit just a portion of the paragraph and not the whole paragraph itself, then you should use the character style. Do not use character style to actually format whole paragraphs. That's what paragraph styles are for. So let's just go to character styles. So over here, for example, let's say I want to change just the beginning text right here. I'm going to click new right here and you can see that I got character style. So right click and go to edit character style over here. And I can see that I can change the character color into something else. I can go to basic character format, change the font family right there. And then over here on the font style, just go to bold and press preview and you can see that that is actually applied. So just press OK and that's my character style. So I can select this, click on character style, and you can see that this only applies the character style onto some selection, unlike paragraph style which applies the character onto the whole paragraph. So that is how you can actually create a character style. And if I want to create something from here, let's say for example I got the character style over here from text just like this over here, and you can see that now I can select this out and I can go over here and create new character style, and you can see that it actually selects all of the attributes of this and applies that into character style right there. Alright, so now what you can also do is you can go over here, select character style 2, and you can see that that actually applies it. So if I want to change something over here, I can just right click, go to edit character styles right here, go to basic character format, choose something else like this and press OK, and you can see that it actually applies it. And over here I can edit character style over here, go to basic formatting, I can change the character style, and you can see that that actually applies it to all of the character styles applied throughout the document. So it is not just in a particular part, and this is unchanged because I actually took this as a sample. The character style is not applied there. So just click it and you can see that that actually applies. And now if I were to change it, then everything changes. So I'm going to change the character color so into blue and press OK, and you can see that both of them actually change just like that. So you can see that character styles can be applied for various effects that you want to apply, so it makes the design process a lot more easier. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.